IGTV is the new platform and you want to get seen. You want to get those views. So here are my tips on how to get more views on IGTV. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, and if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe. Start creating. Now, just like any other social media platform, views and engagement is what you're hunting for. And if you're joining IGTV, you want a surefire way to push out as many views to get as many people on your content as possible. Now, before I deep dive into exactly how you can boost your own IGTV views, I want to know, are you using IGTV? Have you set up an IGTV channel? Have you had much luck? What are you using it for? Is this extending your brand? Is this pushing other people from Instagram to your YouTube? And is it purely a marketing technique? Or do you think this is the future? Please leave a comment down below. Now, IGTV is rather new. So if you want to experience this roller coaster and kind of learn with me, go and check out my IGTV channel here. You can see what I'm doing and my ad hoc tips that might help you. But for now, I'm going to deep dive into tips that can help you boost your views. Number one. Make sure that if your account is linked from your Instagram to your business, you have a look at your insights. Now, if you have a look at the analytics that are based in your Instagram TV account, you will see who's watching, when they're watching, where they're watching, and their demographic. Just like any other Instagram post, as long as you're uploading when they're awake, you will get more engagement. So if your audience is more UK based and they're at school, you might want to publish before they go to school or when they come home, 3-4 o'clock-ish. In my case, most of my posts happen to be more businessy, so I'm going to post more either in the morning so I can catch the Americans, or in the evenings so I can catch the Americans on the other side and the UK people all at the same time. 2. Make IGTV content. Don't repurpose YouTube videos, because if you're repurposing YouTube videos, some stuff just might not work in that aspect ratio. If you want to get more views, you want to offer something that's unique. Why would they be watching you on YouTube and then IGTV? If they're watching you on IGTV, you might not get that view on YouTube that you're hunting for. Or if they've already seen that version on YouTube, why would they want to watch a different angled version of it on Instagram TV? Take advantage of this new platform, this new media, this new style. Learn it, improve on it, and deliver them something new, something exciting, something just for them. Tailor that bubble, and then you can push people around. 3. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Don't just use the auto-generated one that you upload. Make sure that when you upload, you click the edit cover and you either use a frame from within the video or that you create your own custom little thumbnail-y thing that you upload just like you would for a YouTube video. Make sure that you are careful when uploading this thumbnail. You will have a little gap at the top and a little gap at the bottom, which is cut off from either the title and description or the video player. So make sure that the core focus of that thumbnail is somewhere in the middle. So therefore, if you're tall, you're looking for about here compared to the bottom and the top. Tip number 4 on how to get more views to your IGTV videos is link to them via your Instagram stories. Now, that coveted wonderful swipe up function that everyone's been begging for to be rolled out to people under 10,000 followers is kind of being adopted by IGTV. You don't have to have 10,000 followers to have this functionality, but when you go to stories, if you click link, you are then able to upload your Instagram story picture, and then it will link to an IGTV video of your choice. But note, you can only link to IGTV. You can't link outside the environment unless you've got 10,000 followers. But why not upload that story, clearly teasing the video and offering the link? They can then click on the little tab, view the link, and then hop over to your video and enjoy. More views, more reach from the stories, which might go trending dependent on your location and any hashtag that you use. And 5, just like you've done with any of your YouTube videos, if you notice that a specific style of video works better, do more of that video. There is no point in mixing up the content from talking head to backstage if the backstage works so much better. If people are bored of the one-on-one face, but they prefer tips and tricks, or you're using it to actually apply your makeup and they engage more with that because they can see it because it's a phone and it's closer, then make whatever works and keep making more of what you see more views on. And remember to keep learning. So if you want more Instagram TV tricks, there's a playlist up here. But those are my tips and tricks on how to get more views on Instagram TV. For more tricks and tips on how to grow your YouTube channel, as well as IGTV, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification icon for regular YouTube tricks and tips videos. Go out there, start creating.